Here I have REALME C21, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot without keys on this device. So usually to take screenshot, what you have to do is to just press combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time, and that's how you can take screenshot. But there's actually another method to do this. For example, you have this slider on your device and you have the button screenshot here, and it works exactly the same way as this buttons combination. You can also take it by going to the upper bar. Here you have different buttons. If you don't have the button screenshot here, you can customize it and find the screenshot here, then drag it, and now use this button. Just tap on the screenshot and screenshot will be taken. As you can see, there's another method. You can swipe down with 3 fingers to take screenshot too. So let's take one like this, and with your 3 fingers, whoop, and it works exactly the same way. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the album screenshots, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.